Now let's quickly talk about why you would even want to create your website using WordPress compared to simply using all-in-one website builders like Wix or Squarespace. Providers like Wix and Squarespace are all-in-one website builders, including hosting, themes, a page builder, and customer support. Their goal is to make creating a website as easy as possible, so they handle all the technical parts of running a website for you. This makes it a lot easier for a complete beginner to create a website because you don't need to worry about hosting, connecting your domain name, or keeping your website secure. However, it also comes with three main disadvantages. First, it's generally more expensive to use all-in-one website builders like Wix and Squarespace compared to WordPress. Second, you don't really own your website. So for example, if Wix decides to increase their prices, you can't really move your Wix website to another provider as it only works on Wix. But if you have a WordPress website and your hosting provider decides to increase their hosting prices, you can simply move your website to another hosting provider if you want to. And third, using providers like Wix limits your options of adding additional features to your website in the future. Wix does have its own app and theme marketplace, but compared to the ecosystem of WordPress, it's quite limited. Now, if you're not sure if you should use WordPress or an all-in-one website builder like Wix or Squarespace to create your website, I've made an entire video to answer that question for you, and I'll leave it up here in the cards or in the video description.